Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 28th, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So the Euro dollar did end up continuing up this morning. I had a very nice long this morning from right here. Definitely a very, very nice trade. Definitely looks like it's slowing down, but if this right here is the end of a regular flat, a three waves down, three waves up, five waves down, which is a regular flat, then this should go up and it should continue to go up. Now, that doesn't mean that it potentially couldn't make a correction to the last wave up that it formed today. It could potentially do something like that, which honestly would probably be most ideal because that potentially could give us another long opportunity tomorrow. Once it starts to move down, put your Fibonacci retracement on there, look for a recognizable three-way pullback, Fibonacci bounce, a golfing move to the upside to go long again. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.